Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to quickly show everyone on how to smoothen contour lines within software environment. Right, so I'm just going to create a contour from my graded data. Right, in case this is your first time joining me on this channel and you do not know how to create contour just like what you are seeing on the screen, check the video description to see how to go about that. Right, so when you create your contour from your graded data, all right, using this grid data generation, you are going to have it on a default this way. So I can just zoom into a set of contour lines here. So you can see that this contour lines is not smoothing, it's just having like a kind of intersection of points and those kind of spikes like that. So to smoothen it, to make it smooth and looking fine, you just need to select the contour layer here. Make sure you have selected the contour, then you click on general. So when you click on general, under the properties of the contour, you are going to see the smoothing option. Click on this drop down here. So depending on what you want, how fine you want it to come out is what you choose. So I would just prefer to go with high. So when you click on high, you automatically see it that it is now smoothing. It's not smoothing. If I click on none, you see how everything is looking like it's just intersection of points like that. But smoothing it make it look beautiful, right? So this is how to smoothen contour lines in your software application. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to turn on your notification on this channel to keep on getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.